guys, so you saw the intro and you saw that this video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. So this is the Nadula Bye-Bye Knots 6x4.5 and Pre-Bleached Invisible Knots Yaki Bob, and this is a glueless straight wig. So it starts at 10 and then it goes all the way up to, for the bob it goes up to 14 inches. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have the 6x4.5 150% density, but if that's, you know, incorrect, I'll just, you know, note it in the description box for you guys. So this is what the wig looks like. Gorgeous yaki texture. A lot of times when I review wigs from companies, I'll forget what wig they sent to me, so when, you know, I get it or unbox it, I'm surprised just like you guys are. The last bob I tried was from a different company and it was 10 inches, very short, and it was the yaki texture. It was pretty, but this one is a little bit longer and it's thicker as well. So I don't even know if this is the 150 or the 180. I'll have to ask them before I post this video and I'll have that updated for you guys. So this is gorgeous. Loving this texture. This has pre-cut lace, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably trim some back. That's usually what I, you know, recommend to do, just so you don't have excess lace. But this looks good. It does have those pre-bleached knots there. Looks really good. Hey guys, it is Brittany. So in today's video, I have this beautiful bob wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. So we're gonna try this on. This is a closure style wig. It has, you know, you guys already saw the combs on the right and left side and the combs in the back. I'm gonna see how this fits on my head. This is how it looks just straight out the pack. This looks cute. This is more so my kind of bob. It's a little bit longer, but I mean, it's still not super long, but it's a little bit longer. It has more weight to it, so it's a little bit thicker. This is really, really nice. And it's a closure wig, so you don't have to, you know, worry about ear to ear. And because this is a yaki texture and this is a closure wig, I'm probably gonna have a little bit of my own natural hair out on the sides just naturally because this is a closure. So this is what it looks like. So the lace is light, so I'm gonna have to tint this lace to make it not ashy, but this does look good right out the pack. It's 100% glueless. Let me get my comb so you guys can see that. Ooh, this looks like this could give, you know, like a 90s vibe. But I think I'm gonna wear it in the middle part because I just think that's just cute. I think I'm gonna try my contour. Well, this is actually, I use this as a foundation. This is in the shade Cinnamon by Plaudio. And we're gonna see what that looks like as a lace tint. Because I usually use my mocha, but you know, it's the dead of winter, so I might have to change my shade for tinting my lace. So we'll see how this works. You just gotta play around with what you decide to use. So I'm gonna take this foundation brush that I have here because it's very dense. Okay, so I put the removable and adjustable elastic band that they sent for this wig inside of it, so it'll be easier to wear glueless as well because of that. Ooh. There is the wig after I tinted the lace a little bit. I really didn't even have to do it that much. So this is the glueless look, like nothing at all is on there. Nothing at all. I'm gonna pull this down and trim the lace off a little bit. And then I'm gonna take this off my head and press it out and kind of remove that bump. I'm gonna cut some a little bit closer to the hairline. Now you can wear it glueless, as I said, but I'll probably put a little bit of spray on mine because I want to see, you know, its full potential and everything. So I'm gonna press this out. Okay, she has been pressed out and she looks great. Okay, so let's go ahead and put her back on. Alright guys, so we are back and you have seen the application of this wig. I recently just did a bob on my channel. I showed you guys probably 3 weeks ago. That was my last review that I've done. It was 10 inches, so I'm gonna assume this is 12 because that wig was, you know, up here. So I'm gonna assume this one is 12 inches, and I love the way it falls and the movement of it. It's gorgeous and it has a really nice density. If I'm gonna do a bob, I want one thicker like this one. It's just so pretty. And even though this is a closure wig, you can wear it as a side part if you would like to, but I'm just gonna wear mine as a part today. But you do have, you know, some area to create a side part as well. I like that this wig came with pre-cut lace, even though I had to trim it back a little bit more. It came with pre-bleached knots. I did not tweeze the hairline at all. I'm just wearing it as it comes, and I just pressed it out, and I did use my Eben lace melt spray here. This stuff is very runny, but it has my wig melted down really well, so I do like that. But I still rock with my other Eben spray here too. So I did a sunlight test for you guys, of course. And in low lighting, you can see my lace. It can be so difficult to try to tint your lace for different lighting situations. In low lighting, you can see my lace, but it's still passable to me. It doesn't look terrible. I feel like I could have gone with a lighter shade of foundation if I'm talking about low lighting. But of course, in bright, natural light, when I got in the sunlight, it looked melted. So I did take footage in front of our windows in the house in different, you know, lighting situations, and it looked good too. So on camera, I think it looks good too. But I'd love to show you guys, you know, in real life footage, like outside, so you'll know what it's like if you decide to wear this out or to work or something like that. Yeah, so it's not that bad. I do see a little bit of the knots, even though it's, you know, pre-bleached. So maybe even a deeper bleach on this would make it look even more realistic. But overall, this is really gorgeous, and I love the texture. Y'all know I live for a Yaki texture, and I love that it's a little bit thicker than a bob I just showed you guys. This is gorgeous. And if you want something shorter, because keep in mind I'm 6 feet tall and I do have a longer neck, 12 inches might fall down here on somebody who is shorter than me. So I definitely wanted to go with 12 instead of 10 because I just feel more comfortable with this length here. So either way, if you go with, you know, the different lace sizes and the density, you know, you get a good price. So, you know, Nadula is a more affordable human hair company. And if you want to dip your feet into the human hair world, do it at an affordable price with a company like this. I have tried several of their wigs, and this is a nice one here. A really nice one. So if you're interested in this wig, you can head over to Nadula Hair and pick it up there. And I'll have the specs of this wig in the description box. So shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Nadula.